Donovan Chaperet's father was a strict CPA, and Donovan wanted to play college football. So he learned what not to do in the stock market. He learned that the specialists, the people who run the exchanges and make the options markets, they were not buying and holding stocks or uncovered calls and puts. They were not worrying about the ups and downs of the daily news. Charles Schwab asked Donovan to be his head of option trading. Charles Schwab sponsored Donovan's weekly popular market TV show on KY Channel 22 in LA.
We located Don from Surfing the Net and looking at 2 or 3 other trading that I've been in since day one. I am profitable in every single one of those, and I'm getting a lot out of this. I highly recommend it.
I'm Mike Semmett from Atlanta. I've been investing in the stock market for about 15 years and probably barely beat the S&P 500 and in that time, which is actually unacceptable returns in my opinion. So Ray and I found Don about 3-4 months ago, called him up, basically interviewed him, and I joined him 5 minutes later and invested immediately, and my returns in 3 months have been phenomenal. And after this seminar, which just confirmed everything and gave me a little more confidence, I'm going to be doing this full time. I have enough cash put away, and the returns I've enjoyed for 3 months, if that can sustain, that's all I need to live on. So thanks, Don. You're the man.
Barry D. Ruth Attorney. The stock has tripled and is a component of the QQQQs. U.S. Army Colonel John Wintel's Watauga, TN. This is how wealth is created quickly. I'm talking liquid wealth. James Tennyhill, SV, construction engineer. I'm so pleased with the performance Donovan has given my account. Thomson Reuters asked Donovan to be their options educator for their established investment clientele. NFL pro football player Steve Atwater of the Super Bowl champion Denver Broncos asked Donovan to mentor him. Apply now to be an ABC Apple Pie Options mentoring student while openings are available. ABC Apple Pie Option Trades. Learn to trade options without worry.